Okay, here we are once again at the TEP software, and the process we're going to look at today is vacuum forming. Now, vacuum forming we can actually demonstrate quite well in the workshop because we have a vacuum former ourselves. Let's go straight to the animation. What we do is we take a very thin sheet of polymer, okay, any polymer would suffice, and it's clamped down over a box or a chamber. You then heat the plastic sheet until it becomes all melty, floppy, flexible, and when it's heated to the correct temperature, a mould is raised up into it. Now this is where the sheet starts to stretch over the mould, okay, starting to take its form, and then a vacuum pump is put on, and the chamber underneath the mould is all the air is taken out and sucked out, causing the air pressure to push down above the atmospheric air pressure to really push that plastic down onto the surface of the mould. Now the mould features are tapered sides so it can be easily removed, and rounded corners so that you don't get any tears. Okay, you need the plastic to form smoothly over the mould, so fillet corners and tapered sides. Excess material from this can be removed, probably with an automatic punch, and can be recycled because the plastic is thermo, not thermoset. Let's have a look at the materials. Thermoplastics, okay, and economic considerations. Well, small machines are very, very cheap indeed. But larger machines, automated processes, can get very, very expensive. If it's automated, of course, very cheap labour costs. Typical products for this, well, they've got a picture of a washing up bowl, but I want you to think baths. Most plastic baths are made from this process, and one of the largest things that you can make is a hot tub. But you're more likely to see this process if you're a fan of chocolate, because if you buy Cadbury's milk tray, the packaging that each of the chocolates sits in is vacuum formed. Very, very thin section of plastic, very, very thin wall. Okay, and that's what to identify. Sloping sides, fillet radiuses, and very, very thin wall. And that concludes vacuum forming.